Bobcat sod cutters are designed to efficiently and safely remove sod. Before using the sod cutter, it is crucial to familiarize yourself with the instructions in this video, as well as the operation and maintenance manual and the engine manual to avoid injury to yourself, others, or damage to the machine. In addition, always comply with any local regulations that may apply. You will see the safety alert symbol throughout the operation and maintenance manual and on pictorial safety signs. This identifies important hazards you should avoid to reduce the possibility of serious injury or death. Always follow the instructions in the safety message. While it is impossible to cover every situation you may encounter during operation, this video presents several topics, including safe handling and operation, safety features, terrain considerations, and other safety precautions. The Bobcat Sod Cutter was built with safety in mind, but safety also depends on you. Operators should receive training in the safety features and operating practices of the sod cutter. Familiarize yourself with the safety signs on your sod cutter and replace any that are damaged or missing. Perform the rest of your daily inspection before operating the machine. Wear appropriate safety gear, including hearing protection, safety glasses, closed-toed shoes, and long pants. Avoid loose clothing or jewelry to prevent entanglement with the machine. Securely tie back long hair. As with any gasoline-fueled machine, do not operate in enclosed areas. Avoid operating under low-light conditions. Do not operate if you're experiencing drowsiness or under the influence of alcohol or drugs that may affect your judgment or reaction time. Check for job site hazards and surface conditions. Ensure the cutting area is free of obstructions like rocks, debris, sprinkler heads, or other objects that could be damaged or thrown by the machine. Be mindful of obstacles in the cutting area. If you can't remove an obstacle, mark it so you can navigate around it. Exercise caution near drop-offs and uneven ground. Bobcat sod cutters are designed for single-operator use. Do not operate when bystanders, especially children or pets, are in the area. Establish a safety zone to ensure that the sod cutter is operated at a safe distance from such hazards. Additionally, make sure the ground has been prepared for your job. You should avoid cutting wet sod and operating on slopes where loss of stability and traction could occur. Sod that is too dry may crumble and could damage the blade. With the blade in the raised position, adjust the depth stop to the desired depth. Under normal operating conditions, the blade should be flat. If soil conditions push the blade out of the ground, use the black blade angle locking lever and the yellow blade depth control lever to adjust the angle of the blade slightly forward. To reduce stress on the machine, operate with the flattest blade angle that gives satisfactory results. Before starting, ensure the red master clutch is disengaged by pulling it fully backward. Open the fuel valve and move the choke to the appropriate setting. To start the engine, move the engine switch to the on position and pull the recoil starter slowly until resistance is felt. Then pull quickly. This machine is equipped with an operator presence control, or OPC. The operator must hold down the OPC when the master clutch control lever is engaged, or the machine will shut down. Ensure this control is working properly before operating the sod cutter. Never adjust the pedals with the red master clutch engaged. To drive the machine, disengage the yellow blade shift pedal by moving it to the down position, and engage the red traction shift pedal by moving it to the up position. The throttle control is located at the operator position and sets the operational speed of the machine. Adjust the speed by moving the throttle control towards the fast symbol to increase the speed and towards the slow symbol to decrease the speed. With the blade raised and the pedals set, engage the OPC. Next, engage the red master clutch by pushing it fully forward. The sod cutter operates at a set speed. To stop, disengage the red master clutch by pulling it fully backward. When you're ready to start cutting, tilt the machine forward. Loosen the green blade depth control locking lever and lower the blade to the depth stop using the yellow blade depth control lever. Turn the green lever clockwise to lock the blade. Lower the machine until the blade is resting on the turf. For straight cutting, leave the caster wheel locking lever down. For curved cutting, raise the caster wheel locking lever up and forward. Never adjust the pedals with the red master clutch engaged. To cut turf, engage the yellow blade shift pedal and the red traction shift pedal by moving them to the up position. While operating, remember to always keep away from moving parts. Engage the OPC and adjust the throttle to the desired speed for your operation. Engage the red master clutch control lever by pushing it fully forward. The machine will start moving forward and the blade drive will operate. Lower the machine into the turf. At the end of the pass, tilt the machine forward to raise the blade from the sod. Disengage the red master clutch control lever and release the OPC to stop the machine. Loosen the green lever and raise the blade using the yellow lever. Turn the green lever clockwise to lock the blade in the raised position. To stop the engine, disengage the master clutch control lever and release the OPC. Ensure the blade and all moving parts have come to a complete stop before leaving the operator position. Move the engine switch to the off position. If the engine has a fuel shutoff valve, be sure to turn it off before transporting the machine off-site. When transporting your sod cutter, follow the instructions in the operation and maintenance manual. Regular maintenance of your sod cutter promotes safe and efficient operation. Failure to maintain your machine will result in excessive wear and early failures. Gasoline is extremely flammable, and gasoline vapors are explosive. Use extra care when handling. A fire or explosion from gasoline could cause serious injury or death. Allow the engine to cool before fueling. Fill the fuel tank in a well-ventilated area and with the machine on level ground. Do not overfill the fuel tank. Make sure the fuel cap is correctly installed. If fuel is spilled, do not attempt to start the engine until the spill is cleaned up and vapors have dissipated. Keep fuel containers electrically grounded to prevent static electricity sparks. Perform your daily inspection. Maintenance procedures that are not addressed in the operation and maintenance manual must be performed only by qualified service personnel. Operators should be trained in the safety features and operation practices before using Bobcat sod cutters. It is essential that training be provided in a language the operator can understand and that they have opportunities to ask questions. Training should cover the key points discussed in this video. Operators should receive refresher training when covering new terrain, operating new equipment, or whenever deemed necessary. Always use your best judgment and be aware of your surroundings. Remember the safety instructions from this video, the operation and maintenance manual, and the engine manual when operating your sod cutter. These tips will help you get the most out of your Bobcat sod cutter and allow you to stay safe while getting the job done. For additional information, technical specifications, or training resource information for all Bobcat equipment, contact your dealer or visit bobcat.com/training.